If your side waves are not coming in, or they just look weak compared to the top, you're not alone. Because this is one of the most common problems when it comes to getting 360 waves. And the reason you're struggling with it is probably not what you think. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your side waves are not hitting and what you need to fix starting today. Most people think the issue is, I need to brush more. But that's not the real problem. The real issue is your side waves are either being brushed the wrong way or not being prioritized at all. And on top of that, the side waves take the longest to develop. So if you're treating your sides the same way you do the top, you're already behind. The first thing you need to fix is your brushing angles. Waves don't just come in from brushing randomly. Every angle should start from your crown. Here's a tip. When it came to developing my side waves, it's vertical brushing. When brushing your sides, it should look something like this. Every brush angle should line up directly with your crown. And that's where most people mess up. They think they're brushing their sides, and in reality, their angles are off. And that's why your waves look disconnected. You could brush all day and still not see progress if your angles are off. The second problem, you're not giving your sides enough attention. Most people focus on the top because it's the easiest, and that's where your waves are going to show first. But your sides need more work. You should be spending extra time on your sides instead of doing a quick brush and pass. If you want your waves to connect fully, you need to prioritize your sides and give them time to catch up. And the third reason you're probably struggling with your waves on the side is because your hair may be too low. And this is a big one because your side waves, they need length for them to even develop. If you're cutting your hair too low, especially going against the grain, you're resetting progress every single time. And that's why it may be a struggle for you and your side waves. If you're serious about your waves, you need to let your hair grow, especially on the sides. Another thing people overlook is their washing style. Because your washing style is where your pattern really gets set. So if you're not locking in your angles during your wash, you're missing a huge opportunity to make progress and develop your sides. When your hair is soft and full of lather, that is one of the best times to start training your sides. Use your brush and always smooth your waves out with your hands and stay consistent with your angles. Last thing, you cannot expect your sides to come in if you're not staying consistent every day. After you brush, you need to lay your hair down. Do-rag, compression, all of that matters because that's what's going to lock your progress in. Your side waves are always going to take the longest, but once they start hitting, your whole pattern is going to change. Fix your angles, prioritize your sides, and stay consistent, and you will see results.